The muffin is not going anywhere. You don't have to keep looking at it.
What's good? Love you. Hey! And we back in this thing with another video. Yeah. So you about to do another loyalty test today? Yeah, they love when you do the loyalty test. Yeah. So what do you think you're going to get today? Uh-huh. So is it going to be some healthy stuff? Oh, so you think you're going to get some candy and all that. Is that what you think? Oh, right now. So you want the food right now. See, that right there, it's just letting me know right now you about to fail the test. Yeah, that let me know right now you about to fail the test. And I ain't even brought the stuff out yet. Yeah, so are you going to pass today? Yeah, because I got some good stuff for you today. But you got to, but the thing is, you got to listen. Yeah, I'm trying to get you to pass one. I just need you to pass one because you haven't passed any yet. I'm trying to get you to pass one. So I got some really good stuff. It's going to be a little hard. It's going to be a little hard. But you think you can pass it? Oh, you talking about right now? All right, y'all. So she's talking about she want to do it. Go ahead and do it right now. As you can see. Yeah, I'm about to bring it. I got to let them know. Yeah. We're going to start the first test. Yes. So we're going to start off with something healthy. And let's go ahead and get right into it. Here we go. Alright, y'all, I had to peel this because I don't want her biting on the skin. But okay, hold on, because already, you look like you about to attack the thing already, okay? So let me put it down. Wait. Let me put it down. Okay, hold on, give me 10 seconds. Hold on, let me go get yeah, let me get the knife so I can cut it open, okay? Wait, hold on. Thank you. Good job. Woo! Okay, hold on. So wait for Daddy real quick. Hold on. Wow. And then you're going to look at me and do it. The fact that you're looking at me, I didn't even step out the room yet. Is it good? Yeah. It's good, ain't it? Okay. Okay, I see you eating your fruit. Yeah, okay. All right, this is a plus, y'all, because this is the only time she actually eats fruit when she's on the camera. So this is, like, perfect. You gonna take another bite? No? You done? Oh, yeah, go ahead and take another big girl bite. Yeah, that's yours. That's all yours. Good job. Good job. Is it good? Yeah. Look at you eating your fruit. Okay. You gonna eat it all? Oh, yeah. I might let you, okay, you know what? You pass this one. Since since it's a fruit, you pass this one. Yeah, so I say this is your very first one that you pass. Just because it's a fruit. Who you telling no? Yeah, it's your banana. Yeah, it's good for you. Oh, I'm gonna let you eat it. Yeah. this is the first. If you eat all this banana, oh man. Yeah, good job. Oh wow. Maybe I need to start turning the camera on so you can eat your fruits and your vegetables. Yeah, I feel like you putting on though. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Yeah? Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Look at you. So we know what to give you now. Because you tearing this banana up. Yeah. You don't like the banana peel touching your skin? All right, let's get your next surprise. Are you gonna wait this time? Yes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring it to you. All right, here we go. I'm about to get it. Are you ready, Lily? Here we go. You gotta wait on this one, okay? You gotta wait on this one. All right? You gotta at least pass one of them. Okay? All right? Hold on. Wait. All right, give me 2 seconds. Let me get you a napkin, okay? Excuse me, ma'am. Hold on. This girl done got up out the seat. Lily, you were supposed to wait. Yeah, you didn't follow directions at all. Wow. Yeah, I figured she wasn't gonna wait on this anyway. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. You don't gotta stare it down like that. Lily. Lily. The muffin is not going anywhere. You don't have to keep looking at it. Yeah, you don't have to keep looking at it. You couldn't wait? Well, I can't really say anything because you actually didn't wait on the banana either. So, I mean, at least the banana was healthy. Yeah, I'm about to say you failed on this one. Yeah. It is not funny. Are you licking it?
I'm gonna go ahead and end this because she thinks she about to eat this whole muffin. And now you're taking big bites. Yeah. Did you just bite the paper? You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Oh wow, you're not even looking at the camera. You look at the muffin, you telling the muffin bye. There you go.